Welcome to our tutorial on how to search for a group on WhatsApp with the latest updates. Let's walk through the steps to help you discover and connect with groups that interest you. To begin, open the WhatsApp app on your Android device. Locate the search icon, typically found at the top of the screen as a magnifying glass, and tap on it to initiate the search function. Next, type in the name of the WhatsApp group you are looking for. As you enter the group name, WhatsApp will provide suggestions based on similar names, making it easier for you to find the desired group. Once the suggestions appear, browse through them and select the specific group that catches your attention. By clicking on the group from the list of results, you can join and engage with like-minded individuals within that community. By following these straightforward steps, you can efficiently search for and join WhatsApp groups that align with your interests and preferences. Start exploring new groups and connecting with others to enhance your WhatsApp experience.